Hello everyone, my name is Chandrika Sajan Nayak. So today I am experimented what is soluble and what is insoluble. So let's get started. This is some salt and this is some oil and the two bowls of water. Now I am putting some salt into the bowl of water and mix well. So see, the salt is not floating in water are called soluble substances. Next I am putting 2 drops of oil with another bowl of water. And mix well. So see, the oil is floating in water are called insoluble substances. And it is given here sugar and milk. Now sugar is a soluble substances and milk is a insoluble substances. So thanks for watching for video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. For also you follow me the Instagram. So thank you. Bye bye.